Example number 4. Hey, this is our last one that we're going to do. And it's going to be fun. It says divide. Okay, we'll use long division. And then we're going to write the remainder as a rational expression. This is fancy, precise vocabulary for as a fraction. The remainder, we're not just going to write an R, we're going to write it as a fraction, which we've talked a little bit about. So here we go. What goes outside the symbol? What we're dividing by. 2x cubed plus 1. What goes inside? What we're dividing from in the right order. And if there's anything missing on the exponent, we need to put a 0 and hold its place. So what's the highest one up here? 2x to the 5th. Now x to the 4th should be next. There is not one. So I must put in, use another color, I must put in a 0, x to the 4th to hold its place. 5, 4, 3. So we'll look for x cubed. Aha, there is one. So now we will do, actually I'm going to use that black. We will do the 2x cubed. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, there is a 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep, there's a 1. And then we need a none. Is there one without an x up here? No. So we are going to hold its place. Plus 0. Alright, so we had to put in a couple placeholders because there were a couple exponents of x missing. Whatever your highest x is in the exponent, you need to have every single one after that all the way down to no x. Alright, now we do the same steps. Ready? We will now not multiply, we will divide. Divide, 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 divide. Divide, 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 divide. The first term by the first. 2x to the 5th. Divided by 2x cubed. Why do I ignore that plus 1, you say? Because it works. So that's how we do it. Cancel, so we have x squared. Alright, we divided. Now we multiply what we just got by what we divided by. So x squared times 2x cubed plus 1. Well, I will now distribute. So that is 2x. There's 2 of them, there's 3 of them, now there's 5 of them. Plus x squared. I forgot to write this answer on top. Don't let me forget. I'm going to put that as x squared, so I'm going to put it above the x squared. It just makes my life easier. Trust me. We line them up. Alright, 2x to the 5th plus x squared. I divided, I multiplied, now I must subtract. So I'm going to subtract 2x to the 5th. And now I'm going to subtract x squared from the like term. Well, this is not x squared. This is not x squared. Well, hello there, x squared. I must subtract x squared from you. Now there's nothing in here, so if you want to put a little placeholder of 0, you can. You don't have to, but we can. There's no x cubes that we're subtracting by, and there's no x to the 4th. That looks kind of wonky, child. I think I just made up a word. It's alright. Now we're going to subtract. 2x to the 5th minus 2x to the 5th is gone. 0. Oh, I forgot. No, we're good. 0 minus 0 is gone. 2 minus 0 is 2. And 1x squared minus an x squared is no x squared. I'm going to put the 0x squared to hold its place, though. Apparently, purple has become a placeholder color. Okay. And now we drop it like it's hot. Negative 8x. We'll do it again. Divide. First term divided by first term. 2x cubed divided by, well, hello 2x cubed, you are the same. Everything cancels to 1. Anything divided by itself is just 1. Alright, now we multiply. what we just, oh, don't forget to write it up top. Hey. And let's put it, there's no x or anything, let's put it above the like term, but it's going to be okay either way. So far we got x squared plus 1. Now the answer we got here, we're going to multiply by what we're dividing by over here. 2x cubed plus 1. 2x cubed plus 1. Well, you know what's not going to change? 1 times all that. It's just going to be all that. 2x cubed plus 1. And now I must subtract. Menos. So I'm going to subtract 2x cubed. And then I'm going to subtract 1, but that's not an x squared. And it's not an x. It's just a 1. So apparently I should have brought down the 0 and didn't realize it. And that's okay. It's all good. No worries. And I will go ahead and put in placeholders here around the other terms with the x's on them. But you don't have to put in all those placeholders in here when you're subtracting. Just might help you. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Negative 8 minus 0. I like to call that negative 8 where I'm from. With an x. Oh, I wanted that a different color. Let me try it again. Oh, too far. Let's do green. Negative 8x. 0 minus 1. Negative 1. Now there's nothing else to drop down. So I'm not going to start this whole process again. This whole green stuff here, this negative 8x minus 1, is the remainder. But it says write the remainder as a rational expression, as a fraction. So we're going to write up here. And these are both negative. So I could say this is the same as negative times 8x plus 1, by the way. AKA negative 8x plus 1. So I'm going to put minus, that's the negative here, and then 8x plus 1 divided by 2x cubed plus 1. 2x cubed plus 1. And there's our answer. Que bella. X squared plus 1 minus that crazy fraction. Cool?